Building a web app can be complicated sometimes, from choosing the right stack to which CSS library to use and where to host your beautifully crafted code. There's industry standards when it comes to things like this, but today I'll show you alternatives which can extend the development process and help you finish faster. We'll be building a simple to-do web app using Svelte instead of React, Bulma CSS instead of Tailwind, and deploy on Netlify. To get started, you need to create a new Svelte project, and then you need to grab the Bulma CDN from their website and add the CDN to your index.html file. Once that is done, you go to your source folder, create a new file titled own.svelte, and in that file, you add the script tag. Inside the script tag, you declare two variables. We'll start building the body of our app by adding a section element with the following classes inside. After that, we'll create a div with the class name of card. It will also contain extra classes for extra styles. Then we'll create two more divs. One contains the title of our web app, while the other will host all our future to-dos. Inside the second div, I'll add a URL tag with a Svelte native if block to render elements conditionally. And inside the if block, I'll add an each block to loop over my array of to-dos and print them to the screen. Next to my URL will be another div containing an input element with a button. I'll bind the new to-do variable to the input element and add an on-click event to my button element. That on-click event will have a callback function that updates the array whenever the button is clicked. My web app is pretty much done. All that remains now is to host on Netlify. To do that, we'll visit netlify.com and log into our account. If you don't have an account already, you can easily authenticate with GitHub. Once you're in, you click on Add New Site and import from Git. There you see all your repositories. Scroll until you find your $1 million startup and select it. You will need to configure the build command and build folder. Then hit deploy and watch the magic that happens. And just like that, your web app is live for the world to enjoy. If you like this, indicate so I can make more contents like this. Make sure to like and share to your friends.